Hey guys, spring is in, and one of our favorite ways to tell that the season is here is by checking out the gorgeous blooms on our Walter's Viburnum shrub. Walter's Viburnum is a densely branched, evergreen, small shrub to small tree. It has small, oval-shaped dark green leaves that emerge a nice light green color in spring. And it has massive amounts, beautiful clusters of gorgeous little white flowers all over it from midwinter to spring. It's adaptable to a wide variety of soils, from very dry to moist. And one of our favorite things about it is that it can be grown in full sun to full shade. But you're gonna get the most amount of blooms if you grow it in a full sun environment. Because of the variety of forms available, there are numerous landscape applications. Lower growing varieties like a snow fury can be used as a small hedge or foundation planting at about 2 to 4 feet. A medium variety like densa can be used for a shrub of about 6 feet or a little bit higher, all the way up to the largest varieties, which are going to be your Withlacoochee or Grand Select. These can be used as a small to medium tree. Aside from being a drought-tolerant, wind-resistant, and adaptable shrub, the Walter's Viburnum has a ton of different habitat value, from the dense branching, which provide cover and nesting habitat for birds, to the pollinators absolutely loving the flowers, followed by a multitude of berries that all different manners of mammals and birds will enjoy. With beautiful spring blooming, Walter's Viburnum is a must-have for any yard looking for a highly adaptable shrub like this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave us some comments down below if you have any more specific questions. Thanks, guys.